Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make pen holder. So let's see how to make it. First, I took a cardboard and a paper. Then I cut the paper to the size of cardboard. Then I put glue in the paper and spread the glue around with my hand. Then I take the cardboard and stick it to the paper. Then I took 3 pieces of cardboard inside the tissue paper and they are smaller than each other. I wrapped 3 of them with white paper. I cut a length of black paper and glued it to the cardboard, doing all 3 like this. Then if these 3 are attached using glue, it will be ready. It is very cool. Now I am showing the pens in the pen holder. Subscribe to get more videos. Thanks for watching.